What if she wanted to hurt you? Not out of cruelty, but to see who you really are when you bleed. Most men crumble. They react. They chase. They rage. But the stoic man, he doesn't break. He observes. He feels. He transforms. Let me tell you a story. A man once loved a woman so deeply that her silence felt like violence. Every message left unread was a dagger. Every delay in reply, a storm in his chest. But the moment he stopped trying to decode her distance and started building his inner peace, was the moment everything changed. He became the man no one could shake. Not even her. This is not a guide to getting her back. This is a guide to never losing yourself again. Part 1. The first cut is where the strength grows. When a woman you care about pulls away or hurts you, intentionally or not, it's easy to make it about her. But Stoicism teaches us, you cannot control others. You can only control your reaction. Marcus Aurelius said, choose not to be harmed, and you won't be. That's not denial, it's discipline. When she ghosts you, belittles you, or flips overnight, don't personalize it. Observe it. The weak man spirals. Why is she doing this to me? The grounded man pauses. What does this reveal about me? Because every test reveals your character, and every scar is a signature of resilience. Part 2. Emotional self-control is masculine power. You might be tempted to text her again, explain yourself, demand closure. But let's be brutally honest. You don't want closure. You want her to say you mattered. And that's the exact thing she's not giving. So what do? You go silent. Not as punishment, but as preservation. The moment you stop reacting, you regain control. The moment you stop chasing, you start rising. Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." So be brave enough to sit with discomfort. Don't numb it. Don't distract yourself. Just sit in silence. Let it burn and let it build you. Part 3. Detachment isn't apathy, it's mastery. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care more about your peace than her confusion. You start waking up early, working out not to impress her, but to respect yourself. You stop checking if she viewed your story. You delete the messages you never sent. You rebuild. And here's the twist. The less she hears from you, the more she starts to wonder. Women don't obsess over the loud man. They obsess over the silent one who vanished without begging, the one she couldn't shake. Part 4. Power is found in stillness. In every interaction, you set the emotional tone. If she's angry and you match it, she owns you. If she plays cold and you panic, she leads. But if you stay centered, grounded in your own frame, she calibrates. Stoicism isn't a strategy. It's a lifestyle. When you walk into a room calm, clear, present, people notice. Not because you're trying to be seen, but because you are still when the world is noisy. And that calm, it's magnetic. Part 5. She comes back when you're already gone. One day she'll reach out. It might be a subtle like, a "Hey stranger" text, a story reply. But you'll feel nothing. Not because you hate her, but because you've outgrown the version of you who needed her. You don't reply to test her. You don't ignore to manipulate. You simply move on, with grace, with silence, because the man she once hurt doesn't live here anymore. He's become someone else, someone untouchable. And the CTA? It's not loud, it's not needy, it's just this. You are the one who walks away and doesn't look back. If this hit you deep, subscribe, but not for me, for the man you're becoming.